How to delete Uber account permanently? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to delete Uber account permanently. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Uber app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account which you want to delete. Now, once you land on this home page, you need to tap on the account button at bottom right corner of the screen. Select Settings. Now on this section, you need to tap on Privacy. Wait for a while and scroll at the bottom of the screen. Tap Account Deletion. Now, tap on Accept button to verify your identity first. Enter your mobile number or email address and then tap on the Next button. Enter the 4-digit code that has been sent to your email address, so open your email and check it. Now copy and paste the verification code. So the following profiles will be deleted like your Uber rider and Uber Eats. So tap on the continue button. So here it is written that when you delete your Uber account, your Uber rider and Uber Eats profile will be immediately deactivated and permanently deleted after 30 days. So tap the continue button and here you need to enter the reason why you want to delete your account. Now tap delete account button. So your account deletion request is successful. Now you will be logged out. So once you have done that, when you re-enter your information, it will be again reactivate. But when you don't enter all your login credentials, you will be successfully deleted or you will delete your account permanently after 30 days. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.